In this short screencast I will show you how to get started with a Spatial Toolbox to do some processing on maps. It is not enabled by default, so you have to go in Windows, Show View, and enable it by double clicking on the Spatial Toolbox. So this is how it looks like. There's a left side where modules can be loaded. By default UDIG doesn't come with any module enabled. You have to load Spatial Toolbox compatible libraries. One project that does this is the JGrass Tools project. So if we pop up our favorite browser, we can search for the JGrass Tools project. It's very simple. We just go on its website on the download page and download the latest library archive. So I've done this already for you, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like unzipped. It has a couple of libraries in it. UDIG already comes with this, so it's not necessary. So what we need are these two. These contain some nice modules. So we're going to the settings page and upload the JGrass Gears jar and the Horde Machine jar. So what UDIG does now, the Spatial Toolbox browses the library and extracts all the modules that are contained in there to present them to the user. Once they are loaded, there are categories and subcategories, and these are all modules that can be used. For example, if you're searching for flow directions, this is the module you might want to use. So how is the Spatial Toolbox built? On the right side, for each module you have an input tab where all the input parameters are listed. In this case it's just one input map and one output map. And then there is also always a description of the module which explains and gives several notes on the module itself. You can also load experimental data. If somebody told you JGrass Tools has some module about raster transforming, for example, it might be under the experimental modules. Here we are. Experimental means that the author simply tagged the module as experimental and not mature to be used without some precaution. Here you go.